Is your booth looking just awful? Or is your spray booth always exceptionally clean? From our experience, most people would say that their booth looks terrible. They're just too hard to keep clean. Imagine if you could just pull down all the overspray off your walls and your booth is as good as new. You don't need to look any further. This is the peelable spray booth coating that is just magical. Firstly, you need to ensure that your booth is clean and dust free. Then all you need to do is to spray, roller or brush it from left to right, making sure you cover all the areas of the booth walls. Then after around 2 to 3 hours, they'll be dry and ready for use. After a while and the walls have large amounts of paint on them, you spray another layer of the coating over and over and cover the booth walls again. You can do this until about 10 layers of the coating is on the wall. Then when you're ready to remove the coating, score along the top with a knife and just peel it off. Magic. If you fail to use any wall protection and the overspray is left to cake up the sides, you can encounter problems. The overspray will collect up on the walls, and if not, the paint dust will become airborne and land in your paint job. This will then make your painting dirty, and it's the last thing you'll want, and your customers will not be happy. By applying the peelable coatings, you can eliminate this problem, and your products will be looking as good as ever before. There are a few versions of coatings for your booth. Tacky surface coatings are a popular alternative. These spray onto your booth walls, and they don't dry, but they stay tacky. They collect all the overspray and dust that the peelable coatings do, but you do have to wash it down with fresh water when it becomes dirty. However, even though it is a more time consuming, it is a cheaper alternative to peelable coatings, so if you're on a tight budget, it might be the better choice. Another option for your booth is a clear coating for your windows and lights, etc. You can also get a peelable floor coating, which is a tough, peelable coating for your floor. This, when applied correctly, can be so tough it can withstand forklift traffic. I hope this information helped, and please subscribe for further support with your paint shop.